Hey guys, welcome back to my another new video, and in this video I will be show you how to make a simple 4-digit OTP system, randomly OTP system using by HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and I try to understand very easily step by step. So I also created a folder JS and I open this folder with my live server. If you don't have this live server, you can install from this extension, a very simple and easy live server. This live server very easy install. So first of all we need a button here, view button, and I will be take a on click function, on click my OTP. This is a function. So generate. So as you can see, the generate button also created in my HTML file, and the script file also connected this HTML below. First of all we need to take a function my OTP. Then I declare a function let OTP equal to Math.random, then $10,000. Okay, then you can see console.log OTP. We try to inspect this console form here, and when I click, that also created a 4-digit number, but the extra number to need remove by round. Okay, so I take another variable let OTP token equal to Math.round OTP. So we can see that OTP token generate, that you can see this OTP token also working randomly, but some problem with 3-digit. Sometime this generate will be 3-digit, but we can fix this issue very simple logic by if else condition. If OTP token less than 1000, then console I take another variable let OTP fixed equal to OTP token plus 1000, console.log OTP fixed. Then else condition will be console.log OTP token. Okay, this is absolutely may work. Generate, you can see every step, we can see 4-digit number, there are no 3-digit. Okay, and if you want to try find where is my broken fixed OTP token, very simple and easy, comma, this is broken OTP and OTP token. Now work, generate. As you can see, this is broken OTP 600 and 600 plus 1000. This also fixed by simple method. If you really like this video, please subscribe my channel and share with friends this video. Thanks for watching.